What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this, the new 20-litre roll top bag from Stubble&Co. Now, the lovely people over at Stubble&Co were nice enough to send me over their new design roll top bag for me to test out and put through its paces out here in Indonesia at the moment, where I'm documenting coral restoration. So first things first, let's talk about the bag itself. I've got the 20-litre bag in black, but it also comes in 15 litres and in a number of different colours. It's got a laptop sleeve which is big enough to fit a 16-inch MacBook, two bottle holders, so this is great for holding bottles, or also a tripod as well on one side. Front zip, which is great for easy access documents that you might need, wallet, passport, that kind of thing. It's got a chest strap across the bag, so if you packed a little bit extra and the bag is feeling a bit heavy, it's great to just relieve some of that extra weight. It's actually got a lot of space inside of it for a 20-litre bag. I was able to fit my drone, the controller, an extra battery, GoPro Plus batteries, my A7R III plus extra batteries, as well as some clothing in there as well. And there's still plenty of space. Now, if you're someone like me that spends a lot of time in and around the ocean, you'll know that bags especially don't last long when exposed to salt water. Metal components, especially zips, tend to corrode very quickly when exposed to salt on a constant basis. That's what's great about this bag. It's made of a waterproof material. I've really put it through its paces on the boat here during some pretty rough rides as well. The salt water wicks off the surface of the bag incredibly quickly, and it can be wiped or even washed off so easily. There's also minimal metal parts. There's only a couple of zips in here, so minimal opportunities for corrosion. All the plastic clips and parts are easy to wipe off when they get covered in the ocean water. This actually makes it a pretty decent dry-ish bag. It can't be a complete dry bag, because if you drop this in the water, I can't guarantee that your things won't get wet, but for days on the boat or by the beach, this is a great option. It's super comfortable to wear on your back, and you can actually fit quite a lot in it for a smaller size. It's great as a day bag or for those short weekends away. All in all, I definitely recommend this for anyone looking for a new day bag or a bag that they might need to go to work. Its waterproof nature makes it great for if you're cycling to work and it starts to rain. Massive thank you to Stubble&Co for sending this out to me. I'm definitely going to be taking it with me on more trips in the future. Thank you all for watching. Hopefully this review has been helpful. If you're already using this bag, let me know what your experiences are with it. I'll catch you all in the next one.